The song Defender by Francesca Battistelli from her album Own It is a nice kind of long, really soft, really beautiful melody that builds into a really nice crescendo. It's a lot of fun for us to play as acoustic guitar players. There's an awesome electric guitar riff in there that we get to kind of take over, which is kind of a rare occasion for us sometimes nowadays, right? So being able to take that lead is great. Neither guitar is capoed, and we're pretty straightforward playing, so go ahead and tune up, watch the music video, and let's get started. Coming out of that second chorus, we go into this instrumental. It's going to sound like this. It's basically that, just repeating, slight little difference on the ending. But all it is we're going to start out on the key with this is we start on the 4 and So it's going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 E and So that's the feel. Me and and then we're back in. Just different ending on the note. So starting 8, 7 to 10, back to 7, then down to 8, then we repeat that, and then finally, so that's going from your 10, 7, and then back to that 8th fret. So one more time, with the count, it's going to sound like this. 2 and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and So we're always kind of looping back on that 4 E and Now we actually do that 3 times. The 4th time, we come back in and jump right to, and let that be how we finish. So your best bet here is to kind of approach it, really listen to the song. I mean, it kind of naturally falls into place. You'll hear kind of when the things are breaking and when they're starting. So even though that the tabs look a little strange when you look at them because of the repeats and where they all land, you know, the main thing is you have that riff, right? You're working with that riff. And then you're going to do the same thing with a slight variation at the end. You kind of cut short a little bit earlier on the final chorus, because we come back in playing the same thing, and then that chorus kind of holds a little bit more in that instrumental, and it goes a little extra loop. So what I gave you below is it's the same thing, but I gave you a loop of both those sections so you can get the timing right and make sure that they all kind of land where they're supposed to. And that's pretty much it for this song. It's a very simple song. That's the most fun part to play. We get to kind of like jump out in front a little bit. Enjoy. It's a good one. 2 and 3 E and 4 E. Two and 3 E and 4 E.